Did you know there's a simple golden drink that can protect your child from frequent colds and infections? Most parents overlook this ancient remedy, but it has been scientifically proven to boost immunity naturally. Are you missing out on this powerful health booster? Stay till the end because this secret could transform your child's health. Every parent wants their child to be healthy, strong, and full of energy. But today, kids are more vulnerable to illnesses than ever before. Instead of relying on medicines, what if there was a natural way to strengthen their immune system? Turmeric milk has been used for centuries as a powerful remedy, and modern science now backs its effectiveness. But there's one key ingredient that makes it even more powerful. Stay tuned to find out. Children today are exposed to more infections, pollution, and unhealthy food choices. Frequent colds, fevers, and digestive issues have become common, and parents often turn to antibiotics and medications for relief. But these solutions only provide temporary relief and can weaken natural immunity over time. The real solution is not found in a bottle of medicine but in the kitchen. Turmeric is not just a common spice, it's a natural healer with incredible health benefits. Its active compound, curcumin, has powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It fights infections, strengthens immunity, and detoxifies the body. But there's a catch. The body does not absorb curcumin easily, which means simply adding turmeric to milk is not enough. There is one secret ingredient that makes this drink truly effective. The key to unlocking the full power of turmeric is black pepper. Science has proven that black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%, making turmeric milk far more effective. Here's a simple and effective recipe. 1 cup of warm milk, dairy or plant-based. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. A pinch of black pepper. 1 teaspoon of honey for taste, optional. Drinking this every night before bed can strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health. Conclusion: one small change can make a big difference in your child's health. Turmeric milk is a simple, natural, and effective way to build stronger immunity and protect against common illnesses. Instead of relying on artificial medicines, give your child the power of nature. Have you ever tried turmeric milk for your child? Share your experience in the comments below. For more natural health tips, check out our next video on 5 superfoods that boost kids' immunity instantly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful health tips.